Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie Vivaldo. I'm a clarinet player and I'm very excited to share with you this music stand. So KraftGeek reached out to me and they went ahead and they sent me over their capsule music stand. So today we're gonna be unboxing it, trying it out, and checking it out together. All right, so the music stand from KraftGeek is here. First thing I wanna say, it is very light and I'm very surprised that there is a music stand in here. Okay, now for the unboxing. All right, box is open. Here's what it looks like inside. Great, so first we have the music stand, as you can see. And I have to say, this is super light. I'm so excited about that. So this is in the first box. And here's the second item. I believe this is the cover or the case for the music stand. Yes, you get this nice case in a dust bag. Says KraftGeek on it. This is going to be really nice for gigging musicians, for sure. Some background information about this stand. It has received multiple awards, including the 2024 NAMM Best in Show. And also this was definitely created for musicians in mind. It has a very unique and innovative design in order to make our lives a little bit easier, but as a musician, as someone that definitely, has to go around places and, gigs and everything like that, this is definitely something that I conceive to be very, very helpful. So some other specs on the back of the box, you can see that it is compact and portable. Our compact music stand folds up neatly so you can take it anywhere. I believe it, super light. And then it is all-in-one solution to your setup, no assembly required. So we'll go ahead and check that out here in just a second. And it is a fast and easy setup. So it has tripod legs that are released instantly with one twist. Exciting. And it also has instant height adjustment. So in case you are standing up, you're playing, or you're sitting down, you need to adjust the music stand in order to look at the conductor. You know how it goes. So upon opening the stand box, you are instantly given some quick instructions, which is very nice. And this is how it looks all folded up. So it says step 1, flip open, step 2, twist bottom. Okay, flip open, and step 2, twist bottom. Oh, twist bottom. There we go. Wow. There's the bottom. Step 3, press down to stabilize. And step 4, stretch for height. And then step 5, unfold sheet holder. Oh, like that. All right, this is cool because you're able to adjust it based on what you need, right? It just opens up like this, and then you have the top here. You're able to open up, and then you have the center section as well. And what I love about this is it has clips for your pages so that if you're doing an outdoor gig and there's wind, your music won't go flying. So you're able to have a situation like that. There we go, see? So then if it's flying, you have the clips. First of all, I really do appreciate these very simple instructions. Makes it very easy. That was very quick. And it also has a more in-depth user manual in the box as well. Also, I wanted to note there was no assembly required. I just took it right out of the box and folded it open. So that's a plus. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and unbox the light and add it on the stand. So it comes like this. Here's the light. And there's only a few steps here. All you gotta do is just open up the light and then attach this section to the music stand. So it already has, a little knob there. So all you gotta do is just attach it up here. There, I made the stand shorter, and you just attach it. So there we have our stand light, okay? So I would demonstrate and turn it on for you, but I don't have any batteries, but there she is, and it's still very light, still very portable. And if you wanted to take it off, all you gotta do is just use the little screw there at the top, and then fold it up, and you're able to store it like this as well. So if you're like me, you like reading music with an iPad, the stand will be able to hold it nice and tight. Because of these little clips here, it's gonna be nice and secure. Also, these are adjustable. Guys, you could just do so much with this. So then when you're all ready to go from a gig, I wanna show you how fast you're able to put it away. So we got our iPad put away, and then we have the legs here at the bottom. And then you adjust it, Make sure that's all good to go. And then up here, we have the center area, these two knobs, and then we have these two, and then this folds over just like that. How long was that? Under 30 seconds it has to be. And then you're able to put this away in the case. Adding the straps. And then we're all ready to go. I just love how portable this is. This is crazy, and especially how light it is as well. So I want to quickly demonstrate a difference between my old music stand, okay? And it is so heavy. So having to lug this around from all of my gigs, including, you know, all the other stuff that I have, compared with this. You could see a night and day difference with the compactness, and also the fact that it is not nearly as heavy as this other stand right here. You guys, this stand is so light, I'm carrying it with my thumb. Do you see this? Do you see this? And this one I can barely hold with one hand. So that in itself is truly remarkable. Now, I'm still blown away about how portable this is. This is gonna be a complete game changer, and I'm especially thinking about people that play, you know, larger instruments that are a lot heavier, and especially, you know, for those that aren't able to carry a big old music stand. This is truly a game changer for musicians, and I am so excited about this. Another side-by-side comparison with my old stand. Very, very difficult to transport, and the KraftGeek stand. Look at this, guys. This is insane. So I have some recording projects coming up, and I'm just really excited to utilize something like this that is, again, very easy to carry, very portable. It doesn't take much time whatsoever, and it also works really well with my iPad. So final thoughts about the KraftGeek stand. I love it. This is an absolute game changer for musicians, and I think that KraftGeek did a really, really great job to really make something that musicians will need and that will make their lives so much easier, because I truly feel like because of the portability, you can add a light, and just the fact that it's so much lighter than your traditional stand. You guys saw how I only needed my thumb to carry it. I am just so excited to utilize this. So you're probably wondering, Julie, how do I get my hands on one of these? So a couple of options. You could either order directly through Amazon, or if you order directly through KraftGeek, I have a discount code for you for 15% off. Make sure you utilize the code JulieVMusic15 for 15% off at KraftGeek. So this is only available for a limited time, so make sure that you utilize this now. Get your hands on this now, especially if you're one that is a gigging musician, you're a college student, and you're going places. This is gonna be a really, really great addition to you, and it's gonna make your life easier as a musician. And thank you so much for KraftGeek for creating this for musicians and for making our lives a little bit easier. And again, make sure you check the link in the description for that discount code and for other clarinet helpful tips as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.